We produce food waste every day. The complexity of the organic system of the food remains leads to the complicated process of decomposition, which makes the waste heavily smelly as time goes by. The annoying smell does spoil the air quality, but is there really some relation between food waste and air pollution?
Yes.
I don't think it causes air pollution.
How does that relate?
Yes, it's related. It's related.
Hong Kong is famous for its delicious food, which attracts tons of tourists all over the year. But more consumption is also accompanied with more waste, rapidly depleting Hong Kong's capability of dealing with waste. According to the government, nearly 1.2 million tons of waste is produced in Hong Kong every year, occupying 36% of the total waste, which means that each of us contributes 1,700 kilograms to the total amount. All waste in Hong Kong is hauled to landfill. That is to say, the food waste is placed underground to rot. In the degradation, microorganisms break large molecules into smaller ones, and a considerable amount of gas is produced. But what kind of gas are actually involved?
The aim of the experiment is to test whether food waste does produce carbon dioxide and methane. First, we prepare some food. We choose variety food like meat, rice, fruit, tofu, and milk, which altogether contain three main kinds of nutrition: protein, sugar, and fat, and covered some special soil on the food. It is promised that our samples had exact same composition as daily food waste. Then we went to the chemistry lab. We put the food waste into the conical flask and place it into the thermal tank at a temperature of 35°C to make a good environment for the reaction to take place. And we use the needle cylinder to collect the produced gas. After 15 days, we got 15 ml gas from the food waste, and we put it into the machine for component analysis. And then we analyze the result. The result turns out that the composition of the gas obtained by us is similar to biogas. Methane occupies 39% and carbon dioxide is 33%.
The reason why methane and carbon dioxide are produced lies on the presence of methanogens. Methanogens are microorganisms that produce methane and carbon dioxide in an acidic environment, with preferred temperature of 20 to 75 Celsius degrees. In the landfill of food waste, where no oxygen is present, the methanogens in wet soil feed on small carbide molecules and gradually produce great amount of methane and carbon dioxide as byproducts, which are both responsible for the greenhouse effects.
Lots of problems can be caused by food waste. Solid pollution, water pollution, even air pollution, which most of us are not aware of. And what else?
Food waste may be improve the level or a priority.
Food waste is both a good thing and a bad thing. It's a bad thing because it's over-harvesting, but it's a good thing because it also fertilizes the ground.
Global warming.
yeah, you're wasting money, and there are so many other poor people who do not get food. So instead of us wasting food, we can do something to make sure that food goes to them.
It's limited supply. So if we waste food, we are taking away the rights of others, and it's nothing we created. It was naturally it's something natural. Food, everything it's grown naturally, not by we don't make it. So everyone has the same right. Just because we make some paper notes as money and say that, oh, we are buying food, so we shouldn't waste food. I think that's the most important thing, because everyone has equal rights on the food, on the natural resources. Not only food, but food is the most important thing, because to live you need food.
Land pollution mainly.
Pollution,
Hong
yeah.
Kong has a very limited land, right? And if you have a lot of waste, and the problem is landfills are already getting filled up. So we need other alternatives, and then I think now the government is trying to do the incineration, but that's causing a lot of pollution, right? So that's why I think we need to reduce the amount we waste to until they find a good solution.
So if manufacture, if it goes down, then pollution goes down.